Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple easy hairstyle. For that, you have to tie the hairs from the sides. Now roll them and fix them together like this. Now tie them together and then rotate the hairs and your hairstyle is ready. Once you make the plaits on both the sides by dividing it and fixing it. And it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs and pull it down. Now fix the hairs like this and make a bun. And it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides and roll them together and fix it on the right side. Now take the hairs from the right side, roll it and fix it on the left side. And your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be creating some more simple hairstyles. Tie a ponytail, fix this bun pin under the hairs. After that, tie the hairs on the top and roll it down and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the half hairs like this and then divide the hairs and then rotate it. Now pull out the hairs from it like this from the between and fix it on the top to make a bow. Now spread the hairs, take very small section of the hairs and make the plaits on it. After that, roll it by pulling out the hairs from the sides like this, make a flower, fix it and it's ready. Next, tie all the hairs. Now divide the hairs from the between and fix the hairs inside it like this. Now fix it from spreading the hairs over it and it's ready. Next, tie half of the hairs and then rotate it. Divide the hairs and make the plaits on each section of the hairs like this. Pull out the hairs from the sides little bit like this. Now fix the hairs by folding it upward. Now tie them together like this by folding it on the alternative sides and it's ready. Next, leaving few section of the hairs in the front, tie all the hairs on the back. Now roll it upward and make a bun like this. Now take the hairs from the sides and then make the plaits on it and pull out the hairs from it. Now fix it by rolling the hairs as shown in the video. Pull it and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs like this, make the plaits on the hairs, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Pull out the hairs a little bit as shown in the video. Now follow the same step for the other side as well, fix the hairs in the same manner for few more times. Now make the plaits and fold the hairs and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs into two parts, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Fix it upward like this by rolling it, divide the hairs and fix it in the between, fold it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs like this. Make a ponytail. Now roll the hairs upward using this bun making tool, spread the hairs and it's ready.